ReaderView is a Chrome extension that will transform the way we present online reading material to students. It's designed to enhance readability by stripping away clutter like buttons, ads, and background images, and it allows us to adjust the text size, the layout, and the color scheme. This extension also allows you to edit the content of a web page and to print it out or share it with students via web page or PDF. Lastly, it also includes a text-to-speech accessibility tool. Let's dive in. Here I have a website that's reputed for clutter, banner ads, etc., a recipe website. Now, go up to the extensions and click on Reader View, and it converts the website into an easy-to-read format. Now, the images are gone, but if you'd like the images, you can show them. You can modify the size, or you can choose to hide them. Let's go to the type controls. You can see we can change the font, we can change the font size, the width, line height, we can even add columns if we'd like, and we can change the color scheme. Next, the best part of this extension is design mode. So with design mode, you can actually edit the text from the website. So here I want to delete all of this. There we go. I want to make this bold, so let's go ahead and make that bold. Now, once the text is ready to share with your students, you can save it as a web page, like that, or you can go to the print function and choose to save it as a PDF or print it out. Now, the last thing that I'd like to show you is the text-to-speech accessibility tool. Click on the speaker.
Guacamole ingredients. With just 8 simple ingredients, you can make one of the all-time best dip recipes.
There we go. Now, you can change the voice, you can change the volume, and you can change the speed. Now, to exit Reader View, simply click the X, and it will take you back to the original web page. Last thing I'd like to show you is that you don't have to convert the entire web page. You can go to the part of the web page that you would like to convert, for example, the ingredients here. Simply select the text and click Reader View, and it converts the selected text. I hope this helps. In the comments, let us know how you might use this in the classroom.